ఎస్, మూవింగ్ ఆన్. చందమామ, వెన్నెల, జాబిలి, బృందావనం, ఇలా కొన్ని పదాలు ఎప్పటికీ కొత్తగానే ఉంటాయి. ఆ పదాలే కాదు, వాటి అనుభూతులు కూడా ఎప్పటికీ పచ్చగానే ఉంటాయి. ఆ పదం లాంటి అందం, అతిలోక సౌందర్యం, అత్యద్భుతమైన ప్రతిభ, కోమలమైన మనస్సు, ఇవన్నీ ఒక మనిషిలో ఉంటే పూలరెక్కలు, తేనె చుక్కలు రంగరించి ఆ బ్రహ్మ దివి నుంచి పంపిన అందాల బొమ్మ పేరు శ్రీదేవి. మనుషుల మధ్య నుంచి మాయమైన ఆ దేవకన్య మనసు పొరల్లోనూ వెండి తెరలోనూ ఎప్పటికీ సజీవం.
శ్రీమతి సావిత్రి గారి తర్వాత నిస్సంకోచంగా మహానటి అని పిలవదగిన ఆ చంద్రబింబం, ఆ అప్సర అందం, నటన అజరామరం. మానవ లోకం విడిచి స్వర్గలోక విహారానికి వెళ్ళిన శ్రీదేవి గారి జ్ఞాపకాలు తలుచుకుంటూ ఆవిడకి నివాళీలు అందిద్దాం.
We would like to pay a tribute to Sridevi ma'am on behalf of South Indian film industry, and now we would like to invite on stage to talk about Sridevi garu. May I please call upon stage Kushboo garu, Radhika, Sarathkumar garu, Allu Arvind garu along with Puneeth, Rajkumar sir.
Andarki namaskaram. Good evening. There are times in life when words fail you. And this is one such moment when you don't know what to say. A person who has been part of our lives from a very young age, from the time she came on the screen, she has stayed with us and she'll continue to stay with us all our lives, even for the generations next to come. Very rarely we find a woman who is extremely beautiful, who is superlatively talented, who can make men feel completely intimidated and in awe of her presence. A woman who grew up to the greatest heights which none of the probably other Indian actresses ever seen. Yet she remained humble, down to earth, and her biggest plus was her innocence. Till the end, she had the same smile, that same innocent charm we all fell for. Sridevi ji may have left us completely heartbroken, because I think there's a vacuum which she has left behind which nobody else can fill. The shoes are too large to be filled by anybody, and that will remain forever. I mean, it's across the film industry, it's across the borderline of the countries. People have mourned for an actor called Sridevi. Even today, there's a fashion show in London where you have an entire lineup of clothing dedicated to Sridevi. There's one entire building in a part of London which is painted with her face. There are people, you go to Istanbul, Turkey, and they tell you, are you from the country where Sridevi was born? So I think, it is across the border. You go and people say, do you belong to the same country where Sridevi is from? And I think that is the pride what she has given to our country. I haven't had the opportunity to work with Sridevi ji, but I have played a journalist to her where I had an opportunity to interview her when I started very young in my career. And I think we have stayed in touch because Boney ji was my first producer to introduce me, and there was a very different kind of relationship what I shared with the family. She not being with us, she leaving us suddenly, because even when she was coming to Dubai, 2 days prior to that, I had spoken to Boney ji, and they were saying that they were going to Dubai for a wedding in the family. And then when I go to Bombay, we were to meet up. So it came as a rude shock to being woken up in the middle of the night with a very, very sad news. But I think the video what we saw here, and like I said, the legacy that she has left behind, I think that is there to keep her in our hearts with all the good memories, because I think she was indeed Ataloka Sundari. She was indeed, that actor which nobody can even think about. And if you're going to talk about one actor who ruled the supremo of women actors of India. I think Sridevi will be there definitely at the top. So hearts are with the family, and I'm sure she is watching from up there with the same innocent smile. So all we would like to say is, Sridevi Garu, I know you're watching us, so just be there, keep smiling at us, and we will continue to celebrate you at every given opportunity. The film industry, it's across the border of the language. Language is never a barrier, was never a barrier for her. So her wide, big, innocent eyes, that beautiful smile of hers, she continues, and well, we love her. Everyone does. Thank you.